Okay, so today we are going to the Python first practical. Last week we discussed this. First practical was the ALICD 2024. Okay, so how to open the Python program? We are in search bar, type the Python. Okay, then go to the Python IDLE. So as I discussed last day, Python contains Python Notepad as well as Python shell. So Python shell is reading line by line. It is giving the output line after the other one. So first command is print, open bracket, inverted comma. Now I am using the shell. Okay, I'm not going to save this one. So I just run line by line in the shell. So first program is print ALICT 2024 within the brackets and within double invert commas. Close the bracket, press enter. What will be the output? So this print command will execute and it will give us the output as ALICT 2024. Okay, now try it. I need to save this and I need to do the practical in Notepad, Python Notepad. So press the Control N on top of the shell. Or else, if it is not coming, go to the file, new file, then you will get the Python shell from Python notepad from the shell. Now, earlier we were in the shell. When I move to the Python file, new, then you will see the new page. Okay, that is a Python notepad. Go to the files, select the new file, click on that. Then you will come to the new notepad, that is Python notepad. Okay, so there you will type now, print, same command, open bracket, invert commas, ALICT 2024, close invert commas, close bracket. Now, just look at how to run this one. Click on run module, asking us to save it. Yeah, okay. Then go to the folder. It's better not to use the C location. Better to use it somewhere else, not in the C. I'll just take the desktop. Okay. Make the folder 2024 Python. And within that, practical one. Okay. Then save it. Now output also display in the shell prompt. Okay, like this. Last day I gave you a practical. Can you remember this one? My name is Suhashini. Then my school is DMC. I'm in grade 12. My country is Sri Lanka. Okay, up to Sri Lanka. Run it in your notepad. I'm just copy pasting. You must type it. Okay, see what is happening after I run this. I just give okay. If there are errors, it will show me. Input, output, okay. So when you're copying something, you have to check the inverted commas. If you are copying from PowerPoint presentation, then inverted commas may not match with that. Okay, therefore you have to give the inverted commas again. Okay, this is the output. So this is your first practical. Try this one now quickly. You must do the program in the notepad. Output will display on shell automatically. Okay. Okay, so same practical, you can use this print. Nima said he likes ice creams. And print, Nima said he likes ice cream again. So first one in the green color section, you have the single inverted comma. Okay. And within that double inverted comma is there. Then the last line, single inverted comma, and there are 3 double closed inverted commas. And here another double inverted and another one. When we execute, you will get the output like this way. Nimal said he liked ice cream, like the double inverteds are there. We'll try this one. I just want to execute these two. And keep in mind, if you are copying some document from Notepad or PowerPoint to the Python, sometimes inverted commas are not working. Okay? Therefore, you have to retype the inverted comma again. Now look at the last 2 lines, what will happen as output. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so compare the note. If there are single inverted comma, then it will give us the output. Even though double inverted comma, it will give us the output. But if we use 2 inverted comma, 2 double inverted commas, then it will come with the inverted. Try this one now. This is the first practical step. Practical 2, we are going to join 2 strings. Strings mean text. Text mean words. Okay. With the plus, comma, dot. So we call this joining section as concatenate. Again, listen. We call this one as concatenate. We join 2 strings together. Strings mean text. So Kamal, Nimal, I want to join in as one output. Okay. So if I give Kamal within inverted commas and Nimal within inverted commas, and I join those two, concatenate those two with the plus sign, then I will not get any space. If I need to give the space, I have to insert the inverted commas again and give the space. Then second one, Nimal, comma, Kamal within the inverted separately I have taken, then it will automatically give us the space. Then Nimal dot Kamal, then output will come with the error. So in Python, we are not going to use the dot, but Java and the other programming language, we use the dot to concatenate. But here we are not going to use the dot. Okay, shall we try this one? I'm going to use these two. So, for example, if you have done the practical and if when you're going to open in Python shell or Python Notepad, if your machine is Windows 11, you have to go to the show more options, then move to the edit with IDLE. Just look at, go show more option, then select the edit with IDLE, then only you can start the page. Okay, now I'm running this one. I'm not going to do this again because I have already done it. Okay. If you have already done it and if you want to open it, right click on the file and select the show more options, then select open with Python ideally. Okay, this is the output. So no space between plus. Then there will be space between comma. When we put the comma, there will be space. Okay. Okay, shall we try this? Quickly try. You will get the error at the end with the dot 1. So run the dot 1 separately. Okay, now all of you copy down the practical number 1 and number 2. Okay, you must write the output of that. Okay, this is a practical 1. Quickly copy down practical number 1 into your writing books. And yes, you have to write the output as well.